Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from CozCreations. Welcome to the Nova Zone, guys. This is probably my last painting, or at least my last painting here in my studio, because day after tomorrow I head off to Asheville to get busy with my peeps. I just can't wait. Downtown Asheville, it's amazing. Fellow artists are amazing. The event is amazing. The hotel is amazing. You all are amazing. And I'm beyond grateful to be able to do these things. I was laying in bed last night and I put my earbuds on and I watched videos of some of my favorite artists, and I came across Darling Brian from Studio 15 Acrylics, and he was doing a, I forget what he called it. It's an open cup pour, but then he disrupted it. Open cup disrupted, I think he called it, and it was lovely. And last time my good friend Britta Clayton from Britta Clayton Design was down here, we did a dual video with her teaching me the open cup technique, and it just made me think, gosh, you haven't done one in so long and you've got some wonderful paints. So let's do it. Let's talk about our paints. Our base coat, because I'm trying to use this stuff up, is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black, and this is mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800. It is a, I guess you'd call it a medium consistency. Leaves a mound on a mound on a mound. And our pour colors in this cup right here is Amsterdam Expert Series, and this is their Cadmium Orange. But I also put a couple of squirts of golden Pyrolle orange in it. Make it bright and bold and beautiful. My Mac paint, Arteza Acrylics in the Bourdeaux Red. And then a lot of people's favorite, but we're going easy on it because she's a bossy lady, DecoArt Metallics in the 24 karat gold. Vallejo Pearl Medium with nothing else mixed in it but the pouring medium, Floetrol and GAC 800. And I made a little bit of a mistake. Our base coat, guys, is not mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800. It is mixed with Amsterdam pouring medium. I've been playing with this a little bit, and it tends to give some pretty cool effects. I figured let's use that in our base coat. So it's 1 part Artist Loft Soft Body in the black to 2.5 to 3 parts of the Amsterdam pouring medium. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of flood the canvas a little bit, pour a little pile of my black base coat in the center, lay my open cup down in there, and then what Brian does is he rings the outside of his open cup with a little bit more of the black paint, and it kind of seals the cup down there for you to add your additional colors to it. So Brian, thank you for the inspiration. Britta Clayton, thank you for the inspiration. Let's put some music on because the lawnmower guys are here and they're loud. Let's get busy, guys.
Give me something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove. No, I you're still with me all the time.
Try to make it all